Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl AmandaEnsing, and today I am bringing you day 4 of 5 Days of Glam. I'm getting ready to go to a coffee shop and then I'm going to go ice skating, and I was like, I want to channel my inner ice skating icicle. I really struggled with this look because I wanted to do glitter, but I wanted to do glitter in a way that I haven't done it before. And I was like, okay, I could do like a little glitter in the crease. No, too basic. We went glitter, outer crease, wing. I don't even know what to call this. I'm obsessed. I think I'm gonna start doing my makeup like this every day of my life, okay? If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to hit subscribe and join my A-team. And I hope you guys love day 4. Let's get right into it. My skin is moisturized, my brows are on, my eye base is on, so we're gonna dive right into the eyeshadow. You know, I really want my eyes to look like an icicle today, so that's my inspiration, is an icicle. I wanna have like icicle eyes since we're going ice skating today. I'm gonna be using the Kylie Cosmetics Chill Baby palette. I feel like it's so appropriate for ice skating. I don't know why. I'm gonna use a few things from this collection today. And I'm gonna go in first with the shade Cuddle Season, which is right here. It's a light beige color and a fluffy brush. I'm gonna apply this right in the crease. I mean, I didn't think it was gonna show up that much. It's showing up a little bit. I want the focus to be the glitter. I'm kind of thinking of like a glitter wing smoke, something along that line. So that's what we're gonna do today. Made a little difference, or am I just seeing things? I don't know. So I'm gonna start with Just Chill, which is this mauve matte shade right here. And I'm taking a Morphe M506. It's a little tapered tulip brush. And I'm gonna start kind of shaping the wing. I wanna do like a really dramatic wing shape on the outer part of the eye. I haven't been ice skating in so long. I feel like I used to go all the time as a kid. Maybe not all the time, maybe that's a little dramatic. But I used to go, I feel like a lot. I haven't been in years. Like I couldn't even tell you the last time I went ice skating. Definitely not in California, which is gonna be fun. I hope the place is like cute and stuff. Now I'm gonna go in with Make Magic, which is this brown taupey color right here. And I'm taking the same brush and I'm just going to intensify a color a little bit and apply it in the crease. Now I'm gonna take Hello Winter, which is this dark matte purple color. It's like a purpley, almost looks black from afar, but it's definitely purple. Same brush. I'm gonna use a very light hand because I don't know how pigmented this is. And I'm gonna start on the lid. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go light with this color because I'm not trying to have it too dark. I really love this brush. I've never used this brush before, I don't think. I'm gonna take a crease brush and I'm going to go back with Just Chill. And I'm just gonna buff upwards a little bit, adding that color. Aspen just came in here if you heard her little feet. I'm sure Molly stole her bone because that's what Molly loves to do. And Aspen like comes up to me and she's like, but Mom, are you gonna let her do that to me? Molly doesn't listen to me, so it's whatever. I'm gonna go back to Making Magic, that brown shade, and just bring it inwards a little bit on the lid. Back to my fluffy brush, just buffing the edges. Now I'm gonna take the shade Mrs. Claus, which is this duochrome lavender color. I'm gonna take it on a flat brush and I'm gonna start pressing it on the outer part of the eye. I'm gonna try my finger. I feel like Kylie's metallic shadows are always hit or miss for me. All right, I think it's applying way better with my finger. I think it's showing up. Let me try the other side. It's like a duochrome, so I feel like it's kind of hard to see because on my finger it's pigmented. Sometimes with lavender duochromes, they tend to go towards brown, if that makes any sense at all. Yeah, you can see it totally, right? I'm just gonna fade the inner part a little bit. I'm a perfectionist, you guys, so all these little steps probably seem unnecessary. And if they are for you, you don't have to do them, but I'm a perfectionist. Okay. Love that. So now for the fun part, I'm gonna add some glitter, some shimma. So I have this glitter from Violet Voss called Treasure. It's like different little silver metallic colors. They're like silver, but they have like a rainbow metallic. I love that. And then I also have this Tarte Mermaid glitter gel. And I'm guessing you can use this all over your body, but I thought about mixing both of them because this is really pretty. It reminds me of like icicles. I'm gonna try the Tarte one first and hopefully you can use it on your eyes and it doesn't get everywhere. Wish me luck. All right, so I'm taking a Secret Camouflage brush from Laura Mercier and we're gonna start with the Mermaid gel. And I'm gonna start putting this on my eyes. And I want like the whole wing to be super glittery. Like I'm not gonna hold back, you know what I'm saying? I want to look like an actual icicle. That's the look we're going for today. This is really easy to apply. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I've never used this before. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love how this gel has different sizes of glitter. I love that. So does the Violet Voss one. It's not just uniform, like, you know, one size of little sparkles. It has all different shapes, like big ones and small ones. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love makeup so much. Imagine a world without makeup. I can't. All right, I want to add more glitter. This is so beautiful, you guys. Like, I'm not beautiful. I mean, like, the glitter is just so beautiful. Whenever I say in videos, I'm like, oh, she's so pretty. I'm not talking about myself. I'm talking about the product, by the way. I refer to, like, products as, like, she. So I was, like, watching my other videos when I was about to upload them and, like, editing them and stuff. And I was like, oh, my gosh, people are totally going to think I'm saying that I'm pretty. But I'm not. I'm saying like, oh, she's pretty, like the product, you know? You know what? We're gonna add more glitter. I'm gonna go for it. I have the Too Faced glitter glue here. I think I'm gonna have to use some of this as well because this is, oh my gosh, it's already getting everywhere. That's why I did my foundation last, in case we get glitter everywhere. I'm just gonna put some of the glitter glue on the brush and really saturate it and then just dip into the glitter. You might have a little fallout, but that's okay. I put some glue on my lid because it was working, but I feel like we can do better. So I'm just gonna, you know, we're gonna add glitter on the lower part too, but I need to finish the face first. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this eye. I've never done something like this. I feel like we're like icicle status, right? Okay, let's begin working on the face. I'm gonna start by priming my skin and I'm gonna use the Tatcha Silk Primer. Actually, you know what? What am I doing? I'm too caught up in glitter right now. Let me zoom you guys out a little bit and then we'll work on the face. I'm gonna prime my skin with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. That way my skin looks bomb. Like, can you guys see all the little breakouts on my skin? I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but I have one here, one here, one here, one here. I feel like there's like some more like little bumps here. And I don't know what happened. By the time I went to bed and the time I woke up, I don't know what happened in between then. I was just minding my own business, sleeping, chilling. And my skin's like, you know what, Amanda? Today is not your day. And I wonder what I reacted to. I did apply a little bit of self-tanner on my face last night. And I wonder if it's that because I didn't change my skincare routine because I take my skincare very seriously. For my foundation, I'm gonna take the Hourglass Stick Foundation. This has been my go-to. It was actually kind of hard for me to stop using it this week to film and like show you guys new products because mine is very well loved. This is the shade Golden Tan. I'm just gonna apply this all over my skin. And I am self-tan, so darker than my face. Why does my skin have to break out? Maybe too, because I have filmed 6 videos already, including the video I filmed last week. So my skin has had makeup on it every single day, like a lot of makeup. So maybe that's why too. I'm using a Morphe M439. I think that's the number. This is my favorite foundation brush. Yeah, M439. I love this brush. It's so easy and it's so good. I would love if Hourglass came out with more shades of this foundation. I feel like the lighter shades and even sometimes the darker shades tend to be a little bit orange. And I don't mean that like in a hating way, like that's just the truth. Whenever I'm not self-tan, the shade that I have is super like yellowy orange, which my skin is not that color. So, oh, I just knocked something off my desk. The formula of this foundation is absolutely everything, like everything and more. I'm gonna go ahead and cream contour. I'm gonna use the Too Faced concealer. This is in the shade Toffee. And I'm gonna go ahead and cream contour. And to be honest, I think I'm wearing a little beanie today, so I'm not gonna contour my forehead because I normally do, but I'm not going to today. I've been on a roll with cream contour lately. Like, I go through phases where I don't, I'll just kind of powder contour, but lately I've been obsessed with cream contour. And I'm really pressing it into the skin versus just swirling to diffuse it out. And it helps to use your foundation brush because there's still a little bit of foundation on it, so it helps to blend it even more, I think. I feel like I'm always saying this to you guys, but I need a new Netflix show. I feel like I've watched everything. I started The Office a couple of weeks ago from the beginning and I'm like a couple episodes away from being done with all 9 seasons. But TBH, after Steve Carell left, I still love the show, but Steve Carell really made the show because like even Dwight, like I love Dwight. And I feel like Dwight is nothing without his love for Steve's character, you know? I just had like a 20-second ramble about The Office. I'm so sorry. Now we're gonna conceal. I'm again using the Too Faced concealer. This is the shade Nude Beige. You guys know this concealer has been my obsession. It's so good. Like, I didn't expect it to be so bomb when I first tried it. And I recommend this concealer to all of my friends. This one and the LA Girl concealer are like my top 2 concealers ever. And I recommend them to everyone. Like, I was talking to one of my best friends this morning back in Tennessee, and I was like, girl, if you haven't tried this, don't sleep on it. It is the best concealer ever. I feel like anytime I travel or go anywhere, I have at least 2 different shades with me because I love it. And then I also obviously use it to cream contour. And you know what? I feel like you could even use this as a foundation. Like, if you have the one that's your shade, you could totally use it as your foundation too. All right, I'm gonna blend everything out with my beauty blender. I don't know what it is about watching people do their foundation and their concealer and their contour, but it's so satisfying to watch and do too. But it's just so satisfying to like watch cream products go on. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder to bake. I'm gonna go ahead and set my whole forehead just because I'm gonna wear a little beanie today. So it'll help the transfer of foundation, even though like a little bit obviously is gonna get on it, but it'll help. All right, taking my Morphe sponge, I'm gonna cut this contour. All right, I'm gonna dust off the powder underneath of my eyes. We're gonna leave the Santa beard. Look, as long as it's Christmas time, this is the Santa beard in every tutorial this month, okay? I love this eye makeup. All right. Taking the Luminous Bronze Light from Hourglass. This has been my go-to bronzer. I'm just going to set my cream contour. Now I'm gonna contour my nose, so taking a smaller brush first. Wow, my nose bump didn't play me today. Okay. Oh, and I spoke too soon. I kind of messed it up. It's fine. Going back to the brightening powder. All right, so I'm gonna take a MAC Chromographic pencil and I'm gonna line my waterline. It's a nude shade. And I always like to take my brush to hold my lower lash line down. So that way, like, the heat from your fingers doesn't mess up your concealer or anything. All right, I know I'm jumping around today. We're gonna go back to blush. So I'm going to take this Winter Kissed blush. I think this is such a pretty pink shade and it's a matte color I love. So I'm just gonna put this on the apples of my cheeks and really bring it in close to the nose area. I think it really gives you like that innocent look, you know? And I'm also gonna put a little bit on my nose and down the sides. So kind of like this. Now I'm gonna dust off that powder. All right, so for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go back to a Just Chill, which is the mauve color, and I'm gonna go right on the outer part of the lower lash line. All right, so now we're gonna add glitter on the outer part of the lower lash line. So where are my glitters at? All right, I'm gonna start with the Tarte one again. All right, now hopping over to the other glitter. Honestly, this mascara is kind of clumpy. It's kind of a mess. The first time I used it, it was pretty nice, the Makeup Revolution one. Even last time it wasn't terrible, but this is only like my 3rd or 4th time using it. All right, so I popped on some House of Lashes Noir Fairy lashes, and they're so beautiful. They're so cartoon-like. The band is really thick, so if you have them and you struggle putting them on, it's not you. They are a little bit difficult to get on. And just make sure you let your glue dry really tacky before you put it on, or else they'll keep popping off. So yeah, that's what they look like. I love the look. Okay, now we've got to add a highlight, lower lash mascara, lip color, and set, and we will be done. So I'm gonna do my lower lash mascara. To highlight, I'm gonna use Snow Angel from Kylie Cosmetics. It's so gorgeous. I've already worn it off camera and I freaking love it. This is, I think, the first highlight of this formula that I've tried from hers, and I really, really like it. So I'm gonna take some Tatcha Mist and spray my brush first, and we're gonna go in. Oh, so pretty. I concentrate the most product like right here at the apples on my highlight, my cheekbone up here, and then blend it backwards. So like when you smile, you have those like 2 little glow areas, and I love it. So pretty. I'm gonna set my face with the Tatcha Mist as well. I need to buy a big one because I'm out. All I have is my little travel one, and look at how much is left. I love this stuff. It's so good. Especially if you have normal to dry skin. It's amazing. My skin just like drinks it all up. All right, so all we have left is the lip color. I'm thinking about like a nudish pink today. Is that too nude? I'm gonna take the Kylie Cosmetics Candy K lip pencil to line my lips. I hate when they do this. Why do they do this? This formula is so good, but they always do that. I don't know why it does that. For my lip color, I'm gonna take a Dose of Colors Truffle Liquid Lip. It's like a pinky nude shade, and that's the kind of vibe I'm going for. All right, I'm gonna change and I will be right back. All right, you guys, so here is the final look. I hope you love it. I feel like a little ice bunny right now. Like, I'm so cozy and I'm so ready to like go ice skate and have fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, join my A-team, and don't forget to turn those post notifications on so you never miss a new video. I can't believe that tomorrow is day 5. It's coming to an end. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very, very tired. Posting a video every day and filming every day is definitely difficult. I have mad respect for vloggers and people who do it every day, but doing a full-on makeup tutorial every day is insane because the makeup tutorials are the longest and hardest to edit. So I'm really sad it's coming to an end, but I'm also really excited that I'm gonna be able to sleep. If you haven't already, make sure to check out my holiday giveaway because that will be ending soon as well. I'm giving away 2 iPhones, a camera, a Gucci bag, and a ton of makeup. So make sure you check out that video. I'll link it down below. It is a couple videos back. And yeah, I hope you guys are excited for day 5. I love you so much. Happy holidays. I hope you're having the best December ever, and I will see you tomorrow for day 5.